I should have listened to you guys in the comments ages ago that said when I done the metal door skin and I repaired the door lock, they said, oh, you got to put sealant on that because that will leak. Well, because I didn't, it has leaked, and one of the telltale signs that it's leaked is the water sat along here. Not only that, when you lift this up, everything in here, you can see that's all wet. Everything's in there wet. The carpet's dry, so it can't be gushing through. However, because it has been parked at an angle, all the water seems to sit on the driver's side, on the sill. So on the passenger side, where the passenger side has been sort of like aimed towards the road, the water that has been sitting along here is obviously just drained straight out, and there's no signs of water ingress on this side. But that doesn't mean that this door isn't leaking. So the way we're going to test it, I have a hose. So this is that skin that I was saying about that you subscribers picked up on, saying that I never actually resealed it, and I should. And I thought that the sealant that was already on there and all of that stuff, I thought that would seal it. It does look like there's like a little buckle there as well, and at the top here there's a little buckle in it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it all off. I'm just going to tap that flat, get all that nice and flat, get all of this dirty, cruddy sealant that's already on there, get all of that off.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, leaking in the middle where it's buckled. Yeah, that's dry. Yeah, just where it's buckled it's leaking. That's all dry, everywhere else is dry. Just that bottom bit there. Okay, well, I will get the skin off. Right, well, I don't want to be dragging this video out too long, so I've removed that metal panel, that door trim. I've cleaned up all of that foam, the OEM foam, that gasket thing. Horrible stuff, sticky as heck, goes absolutely everywhere. I ended up just burning it off, and it came up really well. But on the door, obviously I didn't want to apply heat, so I just used brake cleaner, and it has taken me a couple of hours. But it's all ready now. So all I've got to do is, to keep this video short and sweet, I have some of that. Just going to put a big bead all the way around. I have also, there was a couple of buckles, there was a buckle here, there was that buckle there. Everything's nice and flat now, so it should seal properly. Right, well, the driver's door, that's all back together. And the passenger door, all I've done is just put a little bead all the way around on the outside. Haven't bothered taking this off. And what I'll do is, I'm going to leave this time to sort of like set and dry. And then tomorrow, we're just going to do a little test, same as we've done today. And just like that, through the power of editing, we are back another day. So today we're just going to test that water seal. The driver's side, I'm not going to bother testing this side. But what I'm going to do is, once I've tested the other side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove all of this plastic trim, because I don't like how wet it is in here, in around that seal. And underneath this trim it's going to be very, very wet. So you can check that out next time. Yeah, well, it's not like yesterday. Yesterday, there was like a drip here, and there was a drip over there as well. Today, totally dry, and this edge here, all completely dry. Happy days. That's the result. So I'm going to wash it as well, and then I can test to see how good this seal is along there as well. But if we've got any issues, I'll address that in the next video when I remove that trim, which is what I'm going to do now. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.